Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai and in today's video I'll explain about the multinational company in under 3 minutes. A multinational company is a corporate organization that owns or controls the production of goods or services in at least one country other than its home country. So in those companies that have multiple establishments and operate in overseas countries. MNCs have a main office in their home country and multi-subsidiary offices in other countries. Advantages of MNCs. MNCs help in developing host country by increasing investment, income and employment in its economy. MNCs funding provide for technological improvement. MNCs promote professionalism in their operations. MNCs can accelerate the growth process in the country through rapid industrialization and allied activities. MNCs integrate national and international market. Disadvantages of MNCs. MNCs, due to their wide network of productive activities and low cost, have ability to kill domestic competitors. Profit motive ideology can be harmful to the host country. For example, China's presence in African countries operate without any regard to local environment. Due to MNCs' huge investments, technological advancements, and operating capabilities, they tend to become monopolies in the domestic market. MNCs can afford to spend on marketing, thus capturing the market not by having better products or services to offer, but by marketing them. MNCs sometimes have a major role in countries' economic and political decisions. Top non-listed MNCs in India: Microsoft, Deloitte, Adidas, Coca-Cola and Accenture, etc. Top listed MNCs in India: Hindustan Unilever, Britannia Industries, Nestle, Tata Consultancy Services and Siemens, etc. That's MNC in under 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.